Well, I wanna see the road melt into the mountains away as I drive, and make it out of this damn town alive, and not let the dreams I shoulder die. 'Cause I'm moving at God's speed. Only God and my mama know what I need, and I feel the hardwood floors on my knees as I beg you just to take it easy.